So Luton 3. Yes, you heard correctly. 3. Asna 4. Stoppage time. Southern Guna. Make sure you sub to the channel. Link in the title. Matty, what did we just witness, mate? Yeah, because before Ola came on that show, we were calm, innit? Man put some kind of juge on Arsenal when he rocked up, bro, because that game was mad.
Yeah,
we got away with it, man. We got away with it because there was mad, shocking performers out there today. But what did you make of it?
If I had to put that game into one word, it'd be chaotic. That was a chaotic game. I'm glad we won, but excuse me. Let me before I go there. Let me give my flowers to Declan Rice. 100 million smackaroos. That's what $100 million will do for you. This is why I say pay the damn money. Pay the money. So with that being said, Lee, and for those people who watch the watch along, know I said this during the watch along, but I'll say it here for those who have not watched it. We need to go out and buy the best goalkeeper we can find for the best money available. The best, BEST, the best goalkeeper. Make, as Ola said in the chat in the video, make them available.
Yep.
If we're going to be contending, then we have got to shore up a lot of areas. We've got to do it. We've got to splash the cash. We've got to bring in a quality go. That second flap. Me and you watched a lot of Ramsdale flaps. Right. That was right. I mean, that flap. I mean, he just that right there. That right. I couldn't believe it. You know, he didn't communicate with anybody in defense. Defense was all over the place tonight. There was no communication. That starts with the goalkeeper. That's the goalkeeper's job.
Yeah, look at the first goal. Yeah. 29's on the floor. Yeah, picking gummy bears out of his socks. Gabriel Magalhaes and Rice are bodying each other. Yeah. Jesus is ducking.
Yeah.
And the goalkeeper has no chance.
Yeah. I mean,
it's like then the second goal.
And then the third one, he just rolls right up under. The third one just rolls.
The third goal was mad. Yeah, because it goes under him. Yeah, but the build up to that third goal, our captain face plants the floor and don't even bother getting up.
Yep.
29 then tries to do a little back heel, like unicorn fairy tale. Oh, look, I tried. Yeah, Ben White gets cooked. Goal. And it's like, bro, that's Ross Barkley.
I mean, they had Ross Barkley turning back.
He was man of the match, by the way. I don't know who got it. He was man of the match.
He was turning back the clock tonight, man. I was like, man, this is crazy. But no, Lee, we there's a couple of things to unpack here in this game. One is, I know the narrative is going to be, oh, well, we got to win tough games like that. Yeah, but there's a but there. We were clear in control of that game the first few minutes of that game. I mean, we were in total control. And this is a problem. This is one of my biggest problems about last season, is that we would get teams, we would get up on them, and we just could not find a way to turn them over. And instead, we make the games harder than they have to be. And I know people gonna come in the chat. Well, man, they tied Liverpool. They gave City and all this. They gave all these teams trouble and and, you know, and that most relegation teams, they're gonna come up. It's gonna make it a little tough, a little rough and rugged, But at the end of the day, I mean, we were rolling past Sheffield earlier or a couple months ago, just kicking Sheffield in the teeth. Well, this is another team that's come up from relegation. Why can't we apply that same method to them? Remember I told you a couple weeks ago I wanted to see last week when we blew away Lawns, I said, we need to go on a run of form where we're doing this.
Right.
And then we leave. Then the games that I hope we're not using all our get out of jail cards now and not towards the end of the year.
When you play Monopoly,
Yeah.
straight to jail, and you get the get out of jail.
Yep.
Yeah, perfect analogy. Eventually, you land on Mayfair.
Yeah. I'm
Pay
hoping
your
we're not.
rent. Pay your rent, mate.
Yep.
Yeah, we got Brighton, we got Villa before that, and we got Liverpool.
Lee.
Pay your rent. Pay your rent, mate. You landed on Mayfair.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Lee.
the
I just.
Strand.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I just think that we're cutting it close. We got the win today. Jesus scored 29 3 games in a row. That's what I like to see. 1, 2, 3. Just score, baby. I told Ola, my new just score, baby. Just score. I don't care how you score. 3 and 4. 3 and 4.
Yeah, 3 and 4. Because he
3
came
and
on
4.
the sub at the
Yeah.
weekend. Yeah.
Yeah,
3 and 4.
3 and 4. That's
Yeah,
what I want to see. 3 and 4. You know, I don't care how he scores it. Doesn't have to be pretty. It can be a little flat.
4 and 5 with Germany.
Or 4 and 5 with, if you want to count Germany. Yeah. I mean, it's just, I just think that we've got a lot of work to do. I mean, I'm glad we're at the top of the table. If City flop their game tomorrow, we're actually right where we were this time last year, if I'm not mistaken. If I crunch the numbers right.
Yeah, mate, we were champions every month until when it mattered.
Yeah, and I was getting ready to go. That's what I was getting ready to go. I was like, I just hope for everybody's sanity this year that people take a look at last season and saw how much we missed the opportunity in the transfer window to take advantage of a situation. And I think this year we've got to cut. They're starting Saturday. Saturday's going to be a tough fixture. Liverpool is lurking. And we're going to find out. We're going to have what I call an acid test. A thing we say in the States, the acid test. We're going to have the acid test coming up very soon about where we are and what we need. In theory, we already know what we need. And we need a goalkeeper. Because I after watching the game today, I was sitting there thinking during the broadcast, and I kept thinking to myself, I don't know if either one of these two dudes can get us over the line.
They can't. They're good, yeah, but they're a certain level good.
Yeah, they're not
championship. I do believe, that Raya is better than Ramsdale. However, Raya's in a situation that he's not put himself. Well, he has put himself in it by signing for us, but the fans don't want him. He's kicked out a fan favourite, and he's making a few errors here and there. And then the camera pans into Ramsdale and he's smiling. Why are you laughing? What are you laughing at, bro? We're 3-2 down.
He was laughing and then he stopped. That was the funny part about it. He saw himself and then he stopped.
What are you laughing at? And the thing
is,
you've come into a new team when you're not the fan favourite. The fans in away games at Brentford are singing Ramsdale's name or whatever game it was, whoever we were playing, Sheffield, singing his name, Ramsdale's name, whilst you're in goal. Yeah? Big pressure. When this goalkeeper Ramsdale finally leaves, then we're seeing the proper Raya. Because he's playing within himself and he's playing on edge. However, he ain't the guy, bro.
Yeah, I mean, that's why I said during the broadcast, the best available goalkeeper. And I know Ola kept throwing out, but I don't care who it is at this stage. Donnarumma, I just talk up the damn money. Let's get a top flight goalkeeper. And if you don't believe me that money can get you exactly what you need, then you look over there at $100 million Declan Rice tonight. And I'm gonna make you laugh when I say this. The $65 million on Kai Havertz, 3 goals and 4. Ain't looking too damn bad. And I mean, if you could just spend the damn money, get a goalkeeper and a damn striker and some defense and a midfielder, which I'm going to get on that in just a second. Then I think we'll be at least we'll be in there for a good shot towards the end there. This midfield situation, Lee, tonight. And I know folks are gonna come in, they're gonna go, oh man, y'all slanging Odegaard. Look, this is my problem with Odegaard. This is my position. This is what I used to play when I was growing up. Midfield, center mid was my
assist for the winning goal.
I understand. I know I'm getting ready to say this. Odegaard has got to become assertive. He has to be assertive. There were several opportunities there that I felt he pulled himself out of. He wasn't sure of himself. The day he becomes assertive is the day he becomes a true midfielder. He is too timid. He second guesses himself. You know why we scored the game winning goal? He didn't think about it.
He didn't think about it. Look at the Cruyff turn he did. We
Yeah.
said this on the show, yeah? Cruyff turn halfway. Why'd you take the extra touch? Cruyff turn, you've seen the run.
Yep.
Bang.
Yeah.
De Bruyne does the Cruyff turn. Bang. Haaland's clean through.
Yep.
Yeah. Shot a goal, maybe a goal, corner, you score, whatever. Instead, he Cruyff turns and you're like, wow. Yeah. Extra touch, underweighted pass.
This is why I say Arteta. And it's funny because I heard someone else this week say this. I was listening to someone while I was traveling up the road to work. And I heard them say, Arteta he's not the type of manager that can develop players. And when you see somebody like Odegaard, you can spot it out immediately, because someone like Pep would probably go to him and tell him exactly what we said. Hey man, what you thinking about? Why are you taking so long on that? It's right there in front of you. You're looking at it. You saw it. It's like you said on the Cruyff turn, you order immediately. Because as a midfielder, before you receive the ball, you've already scanned the field, so you know where everybody is.
Yeah, scan rate.
Yeah. So as soon as you get the ball, slide it through, bang.
If that's Cesc, guys clean through.
You clean through.
Costa, Van Persie, whoever it may be. Yeah. De Bruyne clean through. If that's David Silva, clean through.
Yeah.
It's
through.
But you killed the whole team with one pass. Yeah, look at Gabby Jesus against Sevilla. Cruyff turn, bang. Didn't think about it. Yeah, Martinelli clean through.
Look at Saturday. Look at Saturday. Look at this past Saturday. Straight through. Bang. When you don't think about it, you don't have the luxury of playing it out in your head. You have to, as soon as you see it, get rid of it. That's his biggest weakness. That is Martin Odegaard, and I've been saying this for 2 years. His biggest weakness is assertiveness and strength.
Doubts himself.
Yeah, he doubts himself, and so he.
Bro, we were calling him out 2 years ago for not shooting. Yeah.
Yeah.
He obviously watches us because he started shooting and bagged 15 goals. Yeah.
Yeah. He has to be assertive.
This season, it's almost like, I've gone
back to I want 18 goals.
Be the man, bro. Yeah, you're not a big guy. You're not physical. Don't need to be physical, bro. Cesc ain't physical. David Silva ain't physical.
Look, Lee, let me
Bernardo's not physical. He'll run rings around you.
Let me just be straightforward. I don't expect him to score 15 goals, but I'll take 18 assists. I'll take 18 assists all day.
Yeah.
That's just as good. That's just as good as you not scoring. It's 18 assists because you're putting other people in positions to be effective for the team. And that is what the finite thing, that's one of the finite things that if we are to win a title this year or contend, then that has to be done. He's going to have to do it against in these hard teams. He's going to have to do it against the Liverpools of the world, because that's going to be, we got them coming up in the cup. In the FA Cup. We got them coming up in we're going to pay them twice in a month. Twice. Three times in 2 months. 3 times in 2 months. And we gotta have all cylinders clickingly. Otherwise, man, I don't want to look back at this and then say, we were December and November champions. I want to see us moving, progressing. But we've got a lot of work to do. So don't kid yourselves. Enjoy the win tonight, but there is a lot of work to do. That was a chaotic game with a hell of an ending.
Facts. Listen, make sure you sub to Southern Gouda, link in the title, if I can squeeze it in. We're going to do player ratings, and we're out of here. Check out Jez, Kenny, myself. Adios, amigos. Ciao.